still can't get over this imagery. There's nothing like this in the planet. And I said, I just wonder, the New Testament, you know, there are scholarly Hebrew translations. I went to a couple of passages in the New Testament that speak of the crucifixion that also are connected to Old Testament, like Psalm 22, Isaiah 52, Isaiah 53, Zechariah 12. It's there. The impossibility of that is this. It's written in Greek, translated to Hebrew, it's still there. And I show 100 images from Genesis to Revelation, how they are there, and it tells a story as it goes.